How to transfer money from Netspend account to your bank account. Let's get started. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of transferring money from your Netspend account to your bank account. Open your preferred browser and head towards the website of Netspend. Type in netspend.com and search for it, or also you can open up the Netspend app. Now log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfers tab. It may be also known as Move Money depending on your app version. Once there, find the option to add a bank account. Click on it and follow the prompts to input your bank account and routing number. Make sure you double check the information for accuracy to avoid any errors. Next, Netspend will likely want to verify your bank account. This is usually done through a small deposit test. They will deposit a small amount in your bank account and you'll need to confirm the exact amount received. Once your bank account is successfully linked and verified, you can initiate the transfer. Enter the desired amount you want to transfer and select your bank account as the destination. Before submitting your request, review the transfer details carefully to ensure you have entered the correct amount. Once you are satisfied, go ahead and submit your transfer request. Now keep in mind that there is a fee of $1.95 per transaction, and there are daily limits on transfers, typically ranging from $2,500 to $4,900 depending on the type of transaction. To work around these limits, you can either break down large transactions into smaller ones or spread them across several days. Once a transfer is complete, wait for a response. Transfer times can vary depending on your bank policies, but it typically takes a few minutes to a few hours. And that's it, you have successfully transferred money from your Netspend account to your bank account. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.